go to Google, and type Visual Studio Code and go to its official website for download. This can be installed for Windows, Linux, and for Mac. To install on Windows, we need to know system type, either it is 32-bit based processor or 64-bit based processor. It can be known by right-clicking on computer icon and choosing properties. So, this is a 64-bit operating system. Let's download Visual Studio Code System Installer for Windows 64-bit operating system. Now, let's begin installing VS Code Setup .exe file. And let's complete the installation process. Now, the VS Code got installed on our system. This supports multiple languages which we can come to know in further sections. That's it.